This is Wen from Wen Guo. Welcome to 350 Loma Verde Avenue in Palo Alto. This is such a beautiful, updated luxury residence that you'll get all your guests impressed. But it's not a flip because it is actually done by the homeowner who is also a professional designer. They chose the highest grade of materials with the best design orientation, and they make this wonder happen. I can't wait to share all the design details to you. Walking to the property, you get to see this beautiful vaulted ceiling, which gives a lot of air and sunlight. And it has a gas fireplace with nice marble accent. And you'll find this marble accent going throughout the whole house very consistently and very elegantly. And let's take a look at the kitchen. After the living room, this open floor plan connects the dining and the kitchen. This kitchen has so many functions. Let me share with you. In this corner, there's this hidden ice machine that makes chewable ice. Your kids is gonna love it during the hot summer. And even this prep sink, even though there's another sink over there, when we have the baking sheet, this prep sink was designed perfect size for washing the full-size baking sheet. It's just very little details, and the cellar has been so thought out. There are two sinks, so there are two trash pull-outs as well. And not to mention, there are many other pull-outs, organizers in all the drawers and cabinets. And of course, there's stainless appliances in 6-burner Wolf oven and the vent hood, high CFM vent hood. So everything is high-end and well-designed. All the luxury details goes throughout the whole house. In this kids' bedroom wing, we have a powder room, but actually also a full bath with all the also marble accents throughout. And of course, the luxury fixtures from Hans Grohe and designer lightings. In this level, there's another bedroom for the kids as well, and this one has its own full bath. Everything is thought out to the little details, for example, the timer for the fans, and very sizable, functional layout. Coming through the main level, you're going to go through this beautiful bright staircase that has a full-size glass wall that gives so much light. Accessing to the downstairs basement, we have this 3-year new 9-foot ceiling construction with all the recessed ceiling light and built-in speaker on the ceiling. And in the basement, it's so gorgeous. It has a beautiful kitchenette that comes with half dishwasher and a sink and also microwave and fridge, perfect for your extended family or any friends to come in town to visit. Little dining area, family room, and also an activity area that you can have a pool table or a ping pong table or just anything for the kids to have fun. There's so many little hidden secrets. Here, there's this little hideout space behind this cabinets, and your kids will love to stay in and do some reading. Downstairs, there are 2 more bedrooms. One side we stage it as a gym. The other side is a bedroom for any guest stay over. And the shower in the bathroom, it's so luxury and functional. It's a curbless entry. And also we have designer shower tile, also extra wide shampoo niche. Everything was beautifully done. So some other amazing spaces like this one has close to 1,000 bottles of wine cellar, perfectly temperature controlled, and you're gonna have a good party here. Also, something I really want to show you, hidden in this corner, is a utility room that it has a 75-gallon of water heater. When 4 bathrooms all function together, you never run out of hot water. Also, 4-zone radiant heat. Look at this beautiful design. Your basement will have no air allergy problem because everything is coming warm up from the floor. We just saw the water heater and the radiant heater in this little corner utility room. There's also furnace hidden in the attic and also AC unit outside. That gives you extra storage space in the garage. But this house has so much more storage to offer. This huge custom-built barn door, there's extra storage behind. You can see the size that could fit a twin bed. And there's extra walk-in closet in this corner, and even the laundry space. Wow! Everybody get their cubbies to put their own clothes. And a sink with a hanger. What a perfect setup. Upstairs is your dream master suite that it comes with a private office and master bedroom and master bathroom. You have her walk-in closet and his deep wall closet, or maybe the other way around, I don't know. And in the bathroom, it's again very elegant marble theme throughout. Either it's the tub with a walk-in shower, and then his and her sink. Everything was perfect to the modern standard. And here is our beautiful resort-style backyard. Other than the beautiful waterfall in the swimming pool, which was built 3 years ago, we also have a swim jet from the corner. When the water current projects towards you, you can swim infinitely to do your exercise. I heard this owner's kid surf on top of it too. And of course, we have a lot of relaxing area in this side, and also a little bit grass for the Easter egg hunt. Owner tucked away all the pool gears, air conditioning, all the machines in the corner. Everything is very well planned out. 怎么样感觉？6房4卫，接近4000尺的豪宅，前庭后院，厨房精心设计，楼下豪華裝修，各方面佈局也相當完美。我希望你同我一樣咁鍾意呢間屋。週末 open house 一齊過嚟參觀下。If you have any question, please feel free to let us know or ask your realtor. Welcome home.